In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Mailchimp audience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're in, you will see your main dashboard, which is where all the magic begins. Next, take a look at the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. You're going to want to click on the Audience tab. This tab is where you manage all your email lists and gives you access to the different audiences you might have set up. Now, if you manage multiple lists, it's important to select the specific audience you want to rename. You certainly don't want to accidentally change the name of the wrong list, so go ahead and pick the audience that you're targeting for this update. Once you've selected the correct audience, look for the section labeled All Contacts. Click on that to get a full view of the people in your audience. This section is key as it allows you to see who you're communicating with and how your lists are populated. After you've checked out your contacts, it's time to open the Settings menu. You can find this option conveniently placed in the sidebar as well. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Audience Name and Defaults. Sometimes, in different contexts, you might hear this referred to as Audience Settings. Either way, you'll be on the right path. Now, here's where the renaming process kicks in. You'll see your current audience name displayed. There should be an Edit button next to it. Go ahead and click that Edit button. Once you do, you'll see the text field where your existing audience name is listed. Clear that text field and then type in your new descriptive name. It's a good idea to choose a name that reflects the purpose of your audience so you can easily identify it later. Once you've typed in your new name, you don't want to forget this crucial step, saving your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page or look near the text field and you'll find the option to Save Audience Name. Click that, and just like that, you've successfully updated your audience's name. And there you have it. Renaming your audience in Mailchimp is a straightforward process and can make managing your lists much easier and more efficient. If you need more tips on how to make the most out of Mailchimp or any other email marketing tools, feel free to explore our other videos and resources. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial on renaming a Mailchimp audience helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content.